What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am 38 weeks and 3 days. Yes. Here is little man. He is huge. So little update on my 37-week appointment. He was weighing 7 pounds, 15 ounces approximately. So I think I'm gonna have a big boy on my hands. So I'm gonna show y'all his nursery today. Y'all excited? I'm so excited. So let's go see the nursery. Here is his nursery. We have a sign up on the door. I'll show y'all later because it's his name, and I'm not gonna show his name off just yet. So here is his room. We have a bed over here just because we're gonna be sleeping with him. Or we have his bassinet right here, but I wanted to sleep in his room. That way, like for nights and everything, we'll have his changing table, diapers, everything will be easily accessible. So we have the bed in here, and then the bassinet's just gonna stay right by the bed. That way I can just get him out whenever it's time for his nighttime feeds. So we have this cute little decor over here. I'll show you all the decor first, and then we have this one that says, "You are my sunshine." So his theme is whales. And then this one over here, anchors away. Now I will show you all of his other stuff. So we have his bassinet and the humidifier over there, and then this lamp is whales. We have another lamp over here with an anchor. So this is his dresser, his wipey warmer, his night light. And then little man has a lot of clothes already. A lot. And I have some of them packed for the hospital, not too much. And then this is his changing table. The changing pad matches the crib sheet, which is so cute. And then my aunt made this blanket. I have his name covered. Y'all will eventually see the whole thing. But my aunt made this blanket. And it has his name on it. And then on the back, it has some prints like whales, anchors. So super cute. And then she made this mobile. And she also made this diaper holder that we have on the side right here. I have newborns in here. He's gonna be a big boy, so let's see how long the newborns will last. And then this is his changing table. Sorry if you can hear the heavy breathing in the background. I am almost 39 weeks pregnant and getting very out of breath. So, and then this drawer right here, I have burp cloths and swaddles. So that's what's in this little container. I got all of these little containers from At Home. I have his boppy in my car ready for the hospital when he arrives. But here's another boppy cover. So cute. It's got the whales on it, and then the back is anchors. Y'all will see his boppy cover in a little bit. And then this drawer, I have wipes. His pacifiers, the pacifier clips, some diaper stuff. Oh my goodness. So that's in there. I have his little diaper genie right here. In this box, we have books and a couple toys. I have some wooden toys in there just because I wanted to put the wooden toys in there and not in his toy basket because these little blocks come apart, and I know this little train set would be like all over the place. And this basket, I got this from At Home too. It has a little anchor on it. It has all of his like little like Snuggie stuff. I call these Snuggies. And then just some toys and stuff like that. That's what's in this basket. And then, so this bear has his name on it also. It's so cute. I love how it's monogrammed with his name. And then this rocking chair, even though it does not fit the room, this was a rocking chair that my parents used with me and my brother when we were little. And my grandpa was actually the one that upholstered the chair. So we're leaving that pattern on even though it doesn't match because my grandpa did it. And then let me show you his closet. Has a lot. Okay, so here is all of the rest of his clothes. I have them kind of sized and organized by like t-shirts, rompers, stuff like that. He has a little basket of shoes right there. The baby dome, his hamper. I haven't put his bath stuff in the tub yet, so all his bath stuff and his bath toys are right there. And then this is just all of his stuff. So he's got his little chair, his play mat, an extra changing pad, and then lots of diapers, which is nice. Ooh. Which is so nice. Because I know he's going to need lots of them. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed the nursery tour. I absolutely love it. This is my favorite room in the house. My outfits, this is super random, but my outfits now consist of stretchy pants and whatever shirt that I find and put on. I'm expecting little man any day now. I'm so excited. I'll be getting induced at my 39 weeks. So what's today? Thursday. So in 4.5 days, I'll be getting induced. I'm so excited. So thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely leave any tips for new moms to be in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.